Hello, I'm Dr. Yagiro Kaya, board certified radiologist. Today I'm going to tell about few important ultrasonographic finding of acute viral hepatitis. Viral hepatitis is a common disease that occurs worldwide. It is responsible for millions of deaths secondary to acute hepatic necrosis or chronic hepatitis, which in turn may lead to portal hypertension, cirrhosis, hepatocellular carcinoma. Recent medical advances have identified at least 6 distinct hepatitis virus, hepatitis A through E and Z. Now discussing about the ultrasonographic finding of acute viral hepatitis. In acute viral hepatitis, the liver parenchyma shows diffuse decreased echogenicity with periportal coughing, which is increased thickness and echogenicity of soft tissue surrounding portal vein branch. Hepatomegaly and gallbladder wall thickening are well associated findings. Gallbladder wall thickening shows multi-layer appearance with extensive hypoechoic pocket of edema fluid. Another finding is starry sky appearance, which is sonographic appearance of the liver parenchyma in which there are bright echogenic dots throughout a background of decreased liver parenchymal echogenicity. It is thought to occur due to the edematous swelling of hepatocytes with a resultant decrease in the hepatic echogenicity. The altered acoustic properties between the portal venous radicals and hepatic lobules cause sonographic accentuation of the venule walls. It has low sensitivity and specificity because starry sky appearance is also seen in many other conditions. Another finding is periportal hypoechogenicity, which represents periportal edema, but the finding is non-specific. It can be seen in various other conditions. Normal imaging appearance of the liver does not exclude the disease because liver appears normal in most patients. In summary, acute viral hepatitis, the USC findings are diffuse decreased echogenicity of liver parenchyma, periportal coughing, hepatomegaly and gallbladder wall thickening, starry sky appearance of the liver, periportal edema.